think of healing and getting rid of a cold, you often think of running to the pharmacy to get a quick fix, but I'm here to tell you, you don't need anything that comes from a pharmacy in a pill bottle off the shelf.
It's the coldest hand that run down this land.
This holistic herbal remedy already sits right in your spice rack. Before you judge this book by its cover, come and learn what oregano has to offer you. You should know oil of oregano is sworn by herbalists to get rid of colds at first sight and even cure your ear infection. We think oregano is one of the most underrated plants in terms of being an overall benefit in every way. Most people think oregano is only a pizza spice, but it goes as deep as old folk medicine. Oregano's Latin name is Origanum vulgare and belongs to the mint family. It's known to be a prolific grower in the garden, but oregano is so powerful due to two key components, those being carvacrol and thymol. These chemicals are in charge of disinfecting, in simple terms. Your body will thank you. So when you feel the urge of sickness coming your way, oil of oregano works better than syrups or medicines. And this is proven. You are also adding natural protection and repellent to your garden ecosystem with oregano, keeping insects like aphids and mosquitoes out. Did you know it also is great for preventing fungal disease in nearby plants? Where does it end with this plant? It's endless. Just like humans, this one loves the sun, and even better, it's drought tolerant. One reason oil of oregano is a superstar is because unlike the pharmaceutical antibiotics, it doesn't destroy good gut bacteria. As well, oregano helps the lungs clear mucus. We think the plant beats most medicine cabinets combined by far. There's more. Do you or someone you know struggle with acne? This herb can help you in that department too. So we know two things. 1, great for your health and food, and 2, one of the easiest plants to grow with little to no extra care needed. Now it all comes down to how to use oregano for yourself. First up, the easy and conventional way. 1 teaspoon of dried leaves steeped in hot water for 10 minutes. And option 2, steam therapy. This is the method to clearing your lungs and sinuses. Same as boiling for tea, only just carefully inhale the steam. And lastly, of course, the oregano oil. Use this topically at your own discretion, but this is typically applied on the tongue and washed down with the drink of your choosing. To make the oil remedy at home, just follow these simple instructions. Just be careful to use a little, as this herb is very strong, and a lot can harm you. So next time someone is sick and in need, make sure you tell them about oregano. Great as a ground cover as well. Great as an herb, and great as medicine. It's incredible in every way. This is no simple kitchen herb, it's a godsend to your life. If you learned something new, please like this video and help us share the world with you. Comment what you do with oregano. Until next time, stay rooted in your future and find nature within you. Because if you're interested in healing your skin in more ways than one, this plant may be the cure to you. Every leaf tells a tale.